Welcome to Module 3 of the Coinbase Mastery course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy your first Bitcoin safely on Coinbase the right way without falling into the common mistakes beginners make. Let's get into it. Understanding the buy screen. Once you open the app, tap the buy button. On this screen, you'll see the Bitcoin price, a simple input box, your linked payment method, the estimated fees, how much BTC you'll receive. Everything is laid out clean so you know exactly what you're spending and what you're getting. Start with small purchases. For your very first buy, start small, not because Bitcoin is risky, but because you need to learn the flow of the app. This helps you understand how fast the transaction goes through, how the portfolio updates, how average cost works, how to read your position. Even $5 or $10 is enough to learn the process. Choosing your payment method. You have three main options. Bank account has the lowest fees, slower but it's cheaper. Good for larger buyers or long-term investors. Debit card, instant, is higher fees, but good for speed and convenience. Just understand the fees are higher. Apple Pay, Google Pay, and instant and simple. Great for quick purchases. Choose whichever fish is style, there's no wrong answer. Reviewing fees the right way. Coinbase always shows fees up front. You'll see the subtotal, the Coinbase fee, the final amount of BTC you'll receive. This transparency is one reason beginners prefer Coinbase. No hidden charges, no guessing. Later in the course, I'll show you how to reduce fees even more using Coinbase Advanced. Executing your first buy. After reviewing your numbers, tap Preview Buy, then tap Buy Now. Your Bitcoin is now officially in your account. You'll see your BTC amount, your average cost, your portfolio value increasing in real time. This is your first step into digital finance. Understanding confirmation and settlement. When you buy Bitcoin, the purchase is instant, but the funds may be on a short hold. This is normal for regulated platforms. You still own the BTC immediately. You just may not be able to withdraw it right away until the payment fully clears. Checking your position. Go to your portfolio and tap Bitcoin. You'll see total value, your unrealized gains, your average cost, your lifetime performance, your asset chart. This is the screen you'll use every time you want to check your investment. The biggest beginner mistake to avoid: do not buy Bitcoin at random moments just because the price is moving. The worst strategy is buying because everyone is excited, stopping because the price dips, chasing pumps, or panic selling. Your job is to focus on consistent, controlled buying, not emotional buying. We'll cover dollar cost averaging and strategy in the future modules. This was Module 3 of the Coinbase Mastery course. Now that you know how to buy Bitcoin safely, the next module, I'll teach you how to understand your profits, your average costs, and how to track your performance like a pro. Subscribe, get ready for Module 4.